Fire speaker out on my iPod mini. Test it out, baby. That's amazing sound to it. First song we like. What sound of iPods, everything else got awesome sound to it. Wow, that is amazing sound for $4.99. It's the Poriad wireless Bluetooth. Check out the unboxing. Yeah, it's awesome. Hey, you don't know, man.
Say you don't care to know that kind of place. Singing in the hooplas, singing in your fight.
That's awesome, $5.
Every step I take gets me closer to my goal of being
Oh my
God,
Becky, look at her. I'm not the only girl.
There's a skating competition this summer, and I want to rock it, build on my fan base, get to raise it. Only I can't afford the tickets. Okay, then why don't you ask Mom and Dad? They said I had to pay for it myself. Okay, then why are you asking me? Because I consider you a patron of the arts. Come on, Meg. Don't give the people what they want. Want me the money? No. But you can earn it. Helping me break the Murphy curse. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry, okay? It was an accident. You're being born with an accident. If it makes you feel any better, that was a pretty sweet wipeout. Who was this person speaking to me? My brother. There are more of you? Oh, let's go. Jeez, what's her problem? So much for making friends in Harvest Hills. Sorry. Okay, so let me get this straight. You want to break the curse, but you were warned not to, which makes me want to help, but how do I get my money?
come on.
If the curse you want lifted, find the object that was flippant. Give it to the next O'Leary, but be sure they take it cheery. Yeah. It's the key to breaking the curse. Your great-grandpa Tommy was cursed with the magic coin. That's what was flipped. If we give it back to someone who's related to that witch woman, Caitlin O'Leary, before the end of the harvest dance, we can end the curse forever. We just have to find that coin. But Meg, how are we supposed to find some coin from 100 years ago? It's not like you put an ad in the paper saying where he spent it. Actually, you guys did. Man throws coin in fountain, floods town. Tommy threw the coin in the fountain.
So as again, it's pretty awesome sound to it.
So where's this fountain? Hey Meg, I found it. There it is. I still found it. It's a 100-year-old coin. Stand out.
I'm not there.
Hey Meg.
It's kind of really good.
My favorite boxer. How's my nose look? Is it crooked?
Your nose is perfect. I mean, perfectly straight. I'm sorry. After what I did, I thought you'd want to stay away from me. I'm a mess.
Are you kidding? Of course not. You seem like a really cool mess. Harvest Hills is a pretty boring place, but I feel like hanging out with you won't be bored at all. Bleeding and terrified maybe, but not bored.
Hey, come on! I can use some help here! There's a lot of coins, and it only has 2 hands!
Is that
It does have nice sound tests in there, and there's a sound test.
You were saying something about hanging out with me?
promise to warn me if you're gonna punch me again.
Can't make any promises. Babies have a mind of their own.
So, I see you're reading up on town history.
Oh, this? Yeah, just a big fan of history.
Oh, me too. Yeah, I actually used to volunteer at the town historical society. They have a whole display on the fountain flood that destroyed Harvest Hills.
Stupid little coin that started it.
Wow, you really do know the history.
This audio program is
It's kind of crazy how a small thing like that can cause such a mess.
As you know, as awesome sound quality. Complaining Son's music group is string. Poriad. Let's just give it a roll. You probably hear that sound quality. Awesome, guys.
You forget the sun, it is just a sky, as we walk in fields of gold. So she took a road for to gaze around upon the fields of barley. In his arms she fell as her hair came down among the fields of gold.
Really good song.
Will you stay with me?
Excuse me, everyone. Announcement to make. Harvest dance.
I'm so much better.
I was riding shotgun with my hair undone in the front seat of his car. He's got a one hand finger on the steering wheel, the other on my heart. I looked around, turned the radio down, he said, baby, there's something wrong. I say nothing, I was just thinking how we don't have a song.
That was it.
Our song is the Liberty Song. Sing it out, it's tapping on your window. When we're on the phone and you talk real slow.
So I think if that review sound test awesome, 4 or 5 stars. Maybe there's anything on Amazon that's a good review. That sound test was pretty good, guys, and I do get tops right there. And that was awesome sound test from the Poriad speakers. Awesome, man. Okay, let's see. I'm done sound testing that, so yeah, I guess, bye.